హాయ్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈరోజు మనము లాగర్థమ్స్లో ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ అయిన లాగర్థమ్ ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ అనేవి ఎలా ఉంటాయో చూద్దాము. ఈ వీడియో చూసే ముందుగా అందరూ ఈ వీడియోని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ థీరం అనేది ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూద్దాము. ఎక్స్ అండ్ వై ఆర్ ఎనీ టూ పాజిటివ్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్ వేర్ ఏ is greater than 0. But here a is not equal to 1. If x is equal to y, then log x base a equal to log y base a. For example, if log x base 5 equal to log 12 base 5. Here two logarithms are equal, bases are also equal, base is greater than 0 and is not equal to 1. In this case, then x is equal to 12. The next theorem 2. xy are any two positive real numbers where a is greater than 1 if x is greater than y, then log x base a is greater than log y base a. Like that, if x is less than y, then log x base a is less than log y base a. Now we observe some conditions. If x greater than a, yes, xy are positive real numbers. If a is greater than 1, x is greater than y, if and only if log x base a is greater than log y base a. According to this theorem, we have to prove this one. If x greater than y, apply both side log x base a is greater than log a base a. Why? Because here a is greater than 1. So if x is greater than y, then log x base a is greater than log y base a. So here log x base a is greater than log a base a value 1. So if x is greater than a, then log x base a is greater than 1. Second condition, if x is lies between 0 to 1. In this case, we also apply both side log. Log 0 not defined. That's why we have to take log x base a and log 1 base a. If x is less than 1, so log x base a is less than log 1 base a. So log x base a is less than log 1 base a value is 0. So x is lies between 0 to 1, then log x base a is negative. Next, the third condition is if x less than a. If x less than y, then log x base a is less than log y base a. So apply logarithm both side. Log x base a is less than log a base a. Here log x base a is less than log a base a value is 1. If x less than a, then log x base a is less than 1. కొన్ని సమ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయో చూద్దాము. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ అని అడిగాడు. log 0.5 base 2 or log 0.3 base 2. In this case, we have to take x and y values. Here x value is 0.5. Here y value is 0.3. Yes, 0.5 is greater than 0.3. If we apply both side log 0.5 base 2. Here log 0.3 base 2. Yes, here x is greater than y. X is greater than y. If and only if, then log x base a is greater than log y base a. In which case, if a is greater than 1, here base 2 is greater than 1. So log 0.5 base 2 is greater than log 0.3 base 2. Next, the second one is log 0.07 base 4 or log 0.3 base 4. In this case, we have to compare 0.07 and 0.3. In these two, 0.3 is greater than 0.07. If we apply both sides log 0.07 base 4 and log 0.3 base 4. According to theorem, if x is less than y, then log x base a is less than log y base a. So here a is greater than 1. So log 0.07 base 4 is less than log 0.3 base 4. Now the second question is, state the sign of the following. Here the first one is log 25 base 3. Is it positive or negative అని అడగడం జరిగింది. In this case we have to compare 25 with 1. Yes, 25 is greater than 1. You apply both side log 25 base 3 log 1 base 3. Yes, we have to write here greater than. So log 25 base 3 is greater than log 1 base 3 value is 0. So log 25 base 3 is positive. Here second one is log 2 by 5 base 5. Have to compare the 2 by 5 with 1. If you asked sign, then you should compare n with 1. So in this case 2 by 5 1. Which one is greater? 1 is greater. So you apply both side log 2 by 5 base 5 is less than log 1 base 5. So log 2 by 5 base 5 is less than log 1 base 5 is 0. So log 2 by 5 base 5 is negative. Next one, log 13 by 7 base 2. Find the sign of log 13 by 7 base 2. In this case, we have to compare 13 by 7 with 1. So here 13 by 7 is greater than 1. So apply both side log. Log 13 by 7 base 2 is greater than log 1 base 2. Yes, log 13 by 7 base 2 is greater than log 1 base 2 is 0. So log 13 by 7 base 2 is positive. The third model is determine the inequality between 1 and the following. 1 కి ఇచ్చిన లాగరిథం కి ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేటప్పుడు మనము log n బేస్ a ని మనం కంపేర్ చేయాలి. సో 7 ని 3 ని కంపేర్ చేయాలి. Which one is greater here? 7 is greater than 3. So apply both side log. Log 7 base 3 is greater than log 3 base 3. Yes, log 7 base 3 is greater than 1. So log 7 base 3 is always greater than 1. Like that, log 2024 base 2023. Here we have to compare 2024 and 2023. Which is greater? 2024. Apply both side log. Log 2024 base 2023 is greater than log 2023 base 2023. Here log 2023 base 2023 is 1. So log 2024 base 2023 is greater than 1. So log 2024 base 2023 is greater than 1. Log 5 by 3 base 3. Find the inequality between 1 and log 5 by 3 base 3. Yes, we have to take 5 by 3 and 3. Here, which is greater? 5 by 3 is less than 3. So apply both side log. Log 5 by 3 base 3 less than log 3 base 3. Yes, log 5 by 3 base 3 is less than 1. So log 5 by 3 base 3 is less than 1. Next, theorem 3 is xy are any two positive real numbers where a is lies between 0 to 1. In this case, if x less than y, then log x base a is greater than log y base a. If x is greater than y, then log x base a is less than log y base a. Now we observe some conditions. If x greater than 1, in which case a is lies between 0 to 1 case. If log x base a is less than log 1 base a. Why? Because here a is lies between 0 to 1. So if x greater than 1, then log x base a is less than log 1 base a. So log x base a is less than 0. Here if x is lies between 0 to 1, yes, we can apply the logarithm both sides, log x and log 1. In this case, a is lies between 0 to 1. So, if x less than 1, then log x base a is greater than log 1 base a. So, log x base a is greater than log 1 base a means 0. If x less than a, yes, here a is lies between 0 to 1. In this case, log x base a, log a base a. Yes, here a is lies between 0 to 1. If x less than a, then log x base a is greater than log a base a. So log x base a is greater than 1. Next condition is, if x greater than a, then log x base a is less than log a base a. So log x base a is less than 1. Yes, if x greater than a is lies between 0 to 1, then the inequality will change. Log x base a is less than log a base a. Log a base a value is 1, so log x base a is less than 1. Yes, కొన్ని examples చూద్దాం. Which of the following is greater? Log 3 base 1 by 2 or log 7 base 1 by 2? In this case, we have to observe the base. Base is lies between 0 to 1. 1 by 2 is lies between 0 to 1. So, compare the x and y means 3 and 7. So, 3 is less than 7. Here, base is lies between 0 to 1. So, if we apply log, then inequality will change. Log 3 base 1 by 2 is greater than log 7 base 1 by 2. Like that, here log 5 base 1 by 6, log 0.2 base 1 by 6. Here also we have to compare 5 and 0.2. 5 is greater than 0.2. But here a is lies between 0 to 1. In this case, the inequality will change. Log 5 base 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is lies between 0 to 1. So, the greater than will change the less than. Log 0.2 base 6. So, log 5 base 1 by 6 is less than log 0.2 base 1 by 6. Determine signs of the following. Log 7.5 base 0.57. Yes, determine the sign అడిగేటప్పుడు మనము x ని 1 తో కంపేర్ చేయాలి. సో 7.5 and 1. As 7.5 is greater than 1, apply both side log. Log 7.5, here base is 0.57, right? 0.57. Yes, and log 1 base 0.57. What do we observe here? Here a is lies between 0 to 1. In this case, the inequality will change. If it is greater than, then log x base a is less than log y base a. So, log 7.5 base 0.5 is less than log 1 base 0.57. So, log 7.5 base 0.57 is less than log 1 to any base is 0. So, log 7.5 base 0.57 is negative. Yes, the second one is determine the sign of the following. Log 7 base 2 by 3. ఇప్పుడు మనము 7ని 1ని కంపేర్ చేస్తాం. As 7 is greater than 1, apply both side log 7 and log 1. What is the base here? 2 by 3, right? Base 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Here the base is lies between 0 to 1. Yes, if base is lies between 0 to 1, if x greater than y, then log x base a is less than log y base a. Yes, if it is greater than, base is lies between 0 to 1, so it will become less than. So log 7 base 2 by 3 is less than 0. So log 7 base 2 by 3 is always negative. The third model is determine the inequality between 1 and the following. Yes, inequality అడిగాడు. log 5 by 9 base 2 by 3. Yes, if we asked inequality, you should compare these two, 5 by 9 and 2 by 3. Which is greater? 3 5 is 15, 9 2 is 18. So 2 by 3 is greater than 5 by 9. If we apply logarithm, log 5 by 9, log 2 by 3, what is the base here? 2 by 3 means it is lies between 0 to 1. So it is less than it is greater. So log 5 by 9 base 2 by 3 is greater than log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. Log any number to the same base is 1. So log 5 by 9 base 2 by 3 is greater than 1. Like that, log 0.5 base 0.7. In this case, what he asked, find the inequality between 1 and this one. So we have to take 0.5 and 0.7. In these two, which is greater? 0.7 is greater. Apply both side log 0.5, log 0.7. What is the base here? Yes, 0.7. 0.7. So the base is lies between 0 to 1. If it is less than, then it is greater than. Inequality will change. So log 0.5 base 0.7 is greater than 1. ఈ విధంగా మనం లాగరిథమ్స్ కి సంబంధించిన ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ ని ఈజీగా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అదేవిధంగా లైక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.